It's always exciting to be a part of this event. My name is Chris Ma from Vantage LED. I was the Spirit of the Entrepreneur Award winner in 2012, and now I have the honors of introducing you this year's winner in manufacturing. And the award goes to Loren Hanson and Dave Haffter from Fusion Science and Design.
Wow, I cannot believe it. Dave and I are honored to be here. We really appreciate the recognition. All of you know how hard it is, how much work we put into it. I am blown away. We were nominated and we didn't know a whole lot about the organization. The more we learned, we said, this is perfect. This is what we strive to do every day, is the spirit of the entrepreneur. We live it with our employees. We hire people that have that same vision that we have, that come in and work hard and want to build something. And we are so honored. I'm kind of speechless because of the competition. I mean, you saw the companies that we're up against, and it's just amazing. We're so honored, and thank you guys very much. I want to thank Dave, my partner. We worked very hard to build what we have in 10 years. And I'm just honored to be up here. Thank you very much.
So I forgot to thank my wife and my son and my family and all of our team members back in our organization. When we were awarded, I didn't think we were going to win. So I didn't even put a speech together because the competition was so tough. The other company, the manufacturing companies, are around for over 30 years and just real high-end manufacturing companies. And I was talking to Dave going, there's no way we're going to win this. So when they called our name, it caught me so off guard that I wasn't really prepared for it. So I forgot to thank my wife and my son and all the hard people that work for us. So I'm glad you asked me. I wish I could go back on stage and do it again.
It was good, very humbling considering the competition that we had, and we're very honored for this award and excited to keep going.
Yeah, we're just grateful for being recognized for all of our hard work. 10 years we spent building our company, started from 5 employees, and now we have over 300 employees. So we work really hard every day. So a little recognition goes a long way with us, and we really appreciate it.
The last 10 years have been a real grind, and it's just, working our butts off for nothing. And, we emptied our savings account to start this company and put our families through hell to get here. And I just think being honored by our peers is the big deal for us. It's really humbling to feel, I don't know.
Yeah, I think it's the people that work alongside of us really take us to where we're at today, that have our vision and work with us to build what we have. And we have another 10-year plan. So think we're a long way now. Wait for us another 10 years. We'll be back.